Everyone wants their best angle. Get my good side, right? If only there was a shortcut in Final Cut Pro to help you find the good side. First, group each side, also known as an angle, into a multicam clip. Then press Shift-Command-7. The angle viewer will pop up. Customize the angle viewer to display the desired number of angles. Add or remove overlays, including timecode and angle or clip name. Then, option-click on an angle to switch a clip to that angle, or click on an angle to cut to it. This includes video, audio, or both based on the selected icon in the upper left. After working with the multicam clips, press Shift-Command-7 to toggle the angle viewer off so you can stay focused on your edits. Ready for more? Check out anawesomeguide.com for the full Final Cut Pro course.